Today we will be doing a lab called Spin the Cup to explain my first law. First we'll start with filling a cup halfway with water.
Here you go, Mr. Newton.
Next we will pour some oil into the cup, just enough to cover the surface of the water. Third, we'll put a few drops of food coloring from each other onto the oil.
Green.
Green. Blue. And then now with the cup sitting on a flat surface, hold the rim of the cup from above. Quickly begin spinning the cup and carefully observe what happens. Were you watching? This is exactly how you're not supposed to complete the lab. We made a mess. If you'd like to have further instructions on how to complete the lab correctly, you should come to Coach Smith's room. We're doing a lab to test Newton's second law of motion by sending a car down a ramp with two books to have an inclined ramp. And you put the ramp on. Now you have your little input. And first, we're going to test the car down the ramp with no weights in it. Now we're going to add 5 washers to it, and as Newton's second law states, more weight going down an inclined ramp, the car should go farther. For our third trial, we're going to add 5 more washers. So a total of 10 washers in the car. This should be our farthest run. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here we're going to be doing a lab called the water whirl. First, we get one of the already empty soda cans, which we have right here. Put some holes in it at the bottom. Attach a string to the top. It's all already done. And over the sink, fill it with water. Kind of try to.
Okay, don't got all of your stuff on it.
As you can see, as you lift it up higher, more water comes out. You bring it down lower, not as much water comes out. Can't really see that, but yeah.
Hello everyone. Today I have Mr. Newton here with me, and we're going to discuss many of his accomplishments. So, Mr. Newton, some think the story about you and the apple isn't true. Can you tell us a little about this?
Well, yes, it is true. One day I was sitting under a tree studying my physics book, and an apple just happened to hit me in the head. But my assistant, John Conduit, is the one who wrote the story.
Oh. Another great accomplishment of yours was the creation of the reflecting telescope. How did you create this?
Oh man, that's a good one. My knowledge of optics was just amazing, and my knowledge finally paid off. To this day, people are still using my telescope today to learn more about the unknown world.
Now that's fascinating.
Y equals mx plus b, a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
What are you talking about?
It's Calculus. I was the creator of it.
How did you ever have time?
Because I'm a nerd. I was able to use my knowledge to see as I stood over the shoulders of the giants.
Giants? So how does it feel to be born on Christmas?
Oh, it's great. You get double the presents and it's just awesome.
Well, thank you for the interview, Mr. Newton.
Thank you.
Mr. Newton died 2 days ago at the age of 84. He was buried at the famous location, Westminster Abbey. We all loved him very much. Farewell, Mr. Newton.